溜蓝水库，那大坝倒下了，整个村差不多没了。
Typhoon Mesa unleashed catastrophic rainfall across Guangxi, China, pushing dozens of rivers beyond warning levels. At the Luluan Dam in Nanning, 2 sections of the embankment collapsed at 11 a.m. Monday. Authorities immediately raised the city's flood emergency response to the highest level as water surged downstream. Streets across Nanning, Guangxi, and Fangqing transformed into rivers as floodwaters swallowed vehicles and reached second-floor levels in some areas. The Dongbanjiang River exceeded warning thresholds by over 5 meters. Officials declared it a once-in-50-years flood event. Rescue teams deployed motorboats to reach trapped residents.
Bán đủ rồi là
này em tổ tín này cái mặt lại là đó tổ tín là mừng đó nè thì phải cao tái mà lấy bệnh vật nhá tái mà lấy bệnh.
Over 800 people were evacuated as police searched more than 500 households. 16 metric tons of emergency supplies were distributed, and 600 animals were relocated to safety. Despite power outages and broken communications, no casualties were reported, a remarkable outcome given the scale of the disaster.
Cái thế một trong hoàng một này hiện là thế đây trong trăm thế đây đâu đây
châu lán gì kiện lắc châu luôn
đây là cô hay gì lạnh là mày là cô chúng làm đất lại đâu ông muốn hầu đánh cái tròn làm lại lên.
The flood season in China is just beginning, and more devastating events like this could unfold at any moment. Stay informed. Subscribe to our channel for real-time weather disasters and breaking coverage from around the world. Hit the bell so you never miss a critical update.
佢哋嘛，水早啦，我溝了啦，我睇下室啊，餐廳啊，我都冇有苦哦，歷仔冇勁苦哦。
我靠！快吃一个还好。哎，你看又怎么来年？不知道。
哎呦！